Wait, you guys are giving me shit now for shit on Garrett?
Yeah, wait.
Is that what just happened?
It's time the viewers see what's really going on around here.
What's going on?
You know, taking apart a 6th generation Camaro.
Yeah. Again. This is a few in a row now, isn't it?
Garrett,
I guess if you don't want to count
for
that.
3 years, I did 300 in a row.
What's the plans here with her?
I don't know. Heads cam. Getting a shifter, so I'm just doing that now.
Yeah, that's...
So that's out of my life. Let's get American Racing exhaust. Long system. Heads cam. Her short throw shifter. Flex fuel.
Oh, okay.
Intake manifolds, I think. So probably a throttle body. Basic, you know, max effort
Yeah.
motor build. Got a blown out or something. About to light this car on fire.
Just one spider in it.
Oh, it's a whole nest of babies. He's got leaves all over it. Dude must have drove through a pile of fucking leaves. All fucking packed in the fucking...
It's crazy. Leaves managed to wedge themselves up under the intake manifold like that.
Still trying to decide how I want to go about this one.
Pulling the motor out on this one? What is that? What is that noise you're making?
You know, it's funny that YouTube doesn't get to see Garrett.
No.
Yeah,
I wonder if they even know what he looks like.
Maybe they'd understand.
I've been on there. I've been on there a few times. Every once in a while.
You know,
I'm
let me see
helping
that. Let me see that fucking thing.
Here, go ahead.
Let's just get.
Go ahead.
Let's just get the viewers a go of what we got dealing with here.
My bald head.
Uncle Fester. I mean, look at this. Incredible.
Woke up one morning.
Hold on, I don't know how to gimbal this thing.
Woke up one morning, decided he was too lazy to go get a haircut, so why not just chop it all off?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh man. Oh Garrett. What are we gonna do with you, bud?
I don't know.
The worst part is, by the time they see this footage, he's gonna have hair again.
Probably.
I
Fucking-
like waking up early on weekends. Well,
Ready-
I don't
ready
like
to-
sleeping in like that.
Dude, I don't sleep in. I slept until 9 last week
I mean,
and I
sleeping to
panicked.
me is like 10. Like,
You won't catch me in bed at 10.
He did it a couple weeks ago.
I know, it's terrible.
I got it right now, that one.
Yeah, he did.
He just wasn't on his phone.
It ruined my whole fucking day.
Ruined your whole day.
Yeah, I always have a whole list of shit. Dude, I don't waste my time. Time's a precious thing. I got shit to do. So waking up that late, you know, I'm losing 4 hours of my day. It really throws me off. Not 4 hours, 2 hours.
Wow.
Yeah, I was gonna say that was dramatic, but I'm usually awake at 7 and I physically get out of bed by 8 at the latest. Mostly because the dogs be fucking bitching.
Yeah, imagine your dogs wake you up.
Yeah, the best is when they sleep in.
My dogs will fucking put me to sleep sometimes.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah, this thing does look like it lives by the ocean.
I wish I lived by the fucking ocean.
Matt, think you're gonna get lucky with a new shirt design? Maybe a new color?
I think I'm gonna get lucky with a triple XL shirt. That, you know. Oh my god.
Oh God.
What do you got?
Got a large.
Wow.
And it's a gray.
Great.
I'll take it.
Saying I got something for you.
Sometimes I
Yeah, I'm like,
Oh my god, I must have stripped over my own ankle.
I did. A whole dozen.
he just loves it.
Whole dozen in case you didn't notice.
Yeah, I didn't notice.
Thank you, Gary.
Only 2 in there.
The donuts were good.
Welcome. I wasn't sure if you counted them, so I was letting you know.
Wow. The size of the box, I could have told you it was a whole dozen before I even opened it. Because if you get a half a dozen, you get a box half the size. In case you didn't know that.
Well, they could have been out of half dozen boxes.
Yeah, they're not. You're that guy that goes to Dunkin' Donuts. Is like, just give me a dozen donuts, and they give you that. That's exactly what you did, isn't it?
No, I picked them.
You picked them, but you picked all of the same ones.
What do you mean all the same one?
I mean, there's 2 different ones.
It was like 3. It was like
I was gonna say.
That's the point of picking.
Yeah, they were all the good ones from my place. No, double chocolate is the best.
Who the fuck wants all that?
Yeah, I don't like double chocolate. I go for the regular chocolate glaze, regular glaze.
Yeah, there's glazed and there's fucking Boston cream. There's 2
Boston
donuts.
creams.
I get a dozen
See
of
that,
Boston
Gary?
cream.
You do something nice when they just shit all your decisions.
I know.
Yeah, I know. It's just nice.
You buy them all donuts and they just shit on all your donuts.
Hey,
How the fuck would you buy C's donuts?
wait, you guys are giving me shit now for shitting on Garrett?
Yeah, but it's time,
Is that what just happened?
it's time the viewers see what's really going on around here. All these comments are Franzi only nice when
I
he's
feel
here.
attacked.
Gary feels attacked every day.
Not by me though. That's the thing, and now it's getting flipped around. God, what, they got a fucking flashlight in that box? This thing is bright.
Frankenstein colors, dog.
Frankenstein does have some badass
They need
packaging.
to make some t-shirts that color. That'd be sick.
I haven't seen that. 43 is
Yeah.
I mean,
Or if you need some light under the car.
bro, all I wear is free shirts.
I know. I want the fucking that shirt, the Frankenstein shirt that Kyle got the other day was sick.
Kyle has the sickest of everything.
Like the fucking American flag, like one, the gray one, but like the red, like Frankenstein or whatever.
Has the brand new
It was
fucking
fucking
shit.
sick.
We have the old fucking clapped out one.
I mean, he does most of the fucking heads, so you can't really be mad at him. You can be mad that he doesn't share, but in his defense,
Yeah, that's what we can be mad about.
I understand.
Sure, his whole family's fucking wardrobe.
Yeah, he's just
Everyone's got fucking Frankenstein.
they come over for like fucking Thanksgiving, and he's like, "Here, what size are you? I got a fucking stack of shirts."
Mother of roommates.
His dad's like, son, how's things over Frankenstein Engineers? Yeah. Thinks he fucking works there.
Frankenstein shirt.
Frankenstein banner.
Is there a lot of miles on this thing? Fucking clean underneath.
This thing is a fucking pile of shit.
No, it's not. You're just mad for some reason. It is really clean, but the trans is leaking. I remember you saying that, and the clutch was rusted, which is odd. But other than that, it's like fresh.
What's a 2020? You sound like Garrett now.
Yo, man. So what's the 2020? What year is that fucking ZL1? That thing like fucking drove through the fucking Lake Arbor or
Well, that
something.
one's got 90,000 miles on. At least it's got an excuse.
Well, that's why I asked you how many miles are on it.
We only make a big deal out of it. It's over like 30.
Yeah, it's high mileage.
Yeah. Like, Jesus, look at this 40,000 mile piece of shit. You don't even want to know what we call it, fucking talk about Kyle's car.
He broke 100. Thing's a beater now.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So I said, dude, you need to get a new car for your car.
Matt, what was it that you ended up having a resale on this?
Output shaft seal, the transmission.
It's probably the carbon monoxide.
Some sort of cancer, I'm sure.
I'm just gonna go ahead and assume everything's the carbon monoxide. That's why my fucking shoulder hurts. It's not getting blood flow.
That's why I can't breathe.
Not getting blood flow to my extremities. Right?
Yeah, I thought it was like smack you in the fucking head.
Nice, glad to know you would have just stood there and laughed.
Well, it's between you and me. How the fuck am I gonna reach it and save you?
Certainly not the speed you move. Just up there, the water pump on, valve covers. Might as well just finish up here and then do the exhaust. I don't know. Got a lot I want to get done today. I'm gonna have this thing running. I'm gonna have that black C7, put the fresh injectors in it. That'll probably be as far as I get today. Finish that black car tomorrow. TJ's is going home today. That's it. I'll be called up. Oh god, it feels good. What was I just doing, Garrett? You got me fucking distracted.
Yeah, look at this, Matt.
Well, man, I see you've got this just about wrapped up.
Yeah.
You know, go on and play control.
All right, this is a 2020 Camaro. We did a stage 3 on, full heads cam package, American Racing headers, Rotofab, air intake, MSD intake manifold, Nick Williams 103, DSX flex fuel, and a Motion Raceworks catch can. Tune's pretty goddamn close. 552, 462 torque. That tune's pretty goddamn spot on as far as timing and air fuel. I'm not touching air fuel. I'm just gonna add maybe a half a degree of timing down low and a full degree up top. Okay, let's see what we got. You notice I'm in a t-shirt today. It's because it's randomly February 10th and it's like 60 some degrees outside. On a Friday, it's perfect. $555. Oh, I forgot we're doing E on this thing too. So yeah, 555, 470 on pump gas. 19-year-old kid makes his relationship with a 76-year-old billionaire official. Look at these. I mean, you guys may talk shit, but that kid is happy as fuck. And it's for not the reasons that he's in love. Good for him. Yo, kid, if you're seeing this, buy a Z06 or CTSV or something. I'm gonna start it up to get it cycled around. There. So I'll answer a question. A lot of you guys probably sometimes may see me playing with the dyno controller. So this is the load. I can control how much load is put on the dyno roller by this remote. This is pretty crucial in tuning cars and how nice you're gonna tune them and stuff like that. If you don't have a loaded dyno, to me, you're not getting the best tune. Like this thing, I can do whatever I want with this dyno. I can basically say I wanna hold it at 3,000 RPM. Like watch, I'll switch it. I think I can switch it from here. Okay, so right now it's on RPM and it's at like 3,000. So if I wanted to, I can put this thing in 3rd gear, 4th gear, or whatever, and if it's like doing something weird, I can turn this on and I'll floor it. And it's just applying straight load to there and it'll hold it at whatever RPM I want it to. You can set it to speed. I can put it to 70 mile an hour or 50 mile an hour or whatever. I don't do it that way. I just do it off of a percentage based, a percentage of load. But without that, it's pretty hard to tune a car accurately, because in reality then it's just a free spinning wheel. By the time you get up in the RPMs, the wheel's just ripping. There's no load in the higher RPMs on it. It's good for turbo cars. It's good for a lot of things, but I can get a pretty good simulation of driving this thing on the road on the dyno. That's why I check shifts and stuff like that. Like with a free spinning wheel, like if it was a non-loaded dyno, the shifts wouldn't be accurate because it would just be basically like you're doing a burnout, like, or even less than that. You know, that's why I load it and I check all the shifts and make sure it's all good, because then it's why I know when I go on the street, it's gonna shift and it's gonna be good. So let's see what this thing does with 38% E in it. Like, so if you can see, you probably won't be able to hear it, but right now I'm cruising at 2,000. I turn this on and see it'll pull the RPMs down basically until I like floor it, then it stays the whole time. 465, but obviously it's hot as shit just because I was just doing all that loading and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna let this thing chill for a minute. It's 208 before I made that pull, so. All right, let it cool for, I don't know, 20, I think. Again, it's got 39% E in it. .572, 488. I'm gonna dump some more E in this thing and try and get it up to, I don't know how much more E we're gonna get up, because it's like almost full, but maybe we'll get it up to 50. Can you get like 2.5 gallons of E? I think that's probably all it's gonna take. Maybe get 3 gallons and see if it takes it all. All right, tank's full. It's got 46% E in it. So that's all we could get it up to. It came here, I had like a little over half a tank in it already, so. Maybe we'll hit 480. We'll find out. Probably not here because it's hot as fuck right now, but maybe in a couple minutes. .474, 489 torque. Yeah, I'm gonna let it sit for a minute or two. It was a quick like 7-minute cool down because I don't feel like waiting any longer. I turned the fans on though on the car, so it should be pretty cold once I start it. 178. Made less power. It's a lot of times they do cold, so 475. What did this thing baseline again? 412.
Yeah, I think that's right.
So it picked up, I don't know, this much. That's it. Later.